Hey everyone, I am Robert and welcome back to the channel. Imagine earning thousands of dollars every month from the comfort of your home using just your laptop or smartphone. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, it's more possible than ever. In today's video, I'll show you real, proven ways to make money online without any huge investment, and some of these can even become full-time businesses. Make sure you stick around till the end because I'll share my #1 online earning method for 2025 and some pro tips to help you succeed faster. Let's get started. Step 1. Freelancing high-income skill. If you've got a skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Here's why freelancing is huge in 2025. You can start with zero investment. You choose your working hours. Top freelancers earn $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Pro tip, learn high-demand skills like copywriting, digital marketing, and web development. They pay the most. 2. Start a YouTube automation channel. You don't even need to show your face to earn from YouTube in 2025. Start a faceless YouTube channel by outsourcing scripts, voiceovers, and video editing. Revenue comes from AdSense, YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, sponsorships. Imagine earning $50,000 a month from a channel with just viral content. Focus on high CPM niches like finance, tech, and luxury. 3. Affiliate marketing, passive income. Promote products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Websites like Amazon Associates, Impact, and Share a Sale offer amazing programs. Ways to promote affiliate links. Start a blog and write product reviews. Use TikTok or Instagram Reels for product demos. Create YouTube shorts around product recommendations. Pro tip, digital products and software usually have higher commission rates than physical products. 4. Print on demand business, no inventory. Design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and sell them online without handling shipping or inventory. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle everything for you, what you need. Creative designs, use Canva or Hair's Designer. Marketing through Instagram or TikTok. A store on Etsy, Shopify, or Redbubble. This is 100% passive income once your store starts getting traffic. Digital products, create once, earn forever. If you love teaching or creating, sell digital products like ebooks on Amazon Kindle, online courses on Udemy or Teachable, printables and templates on Etsy. Create it once and keep earning for years. Some creators earn $10,000 a month just from digital products. 6. Remote jobs. Work from anywhere. Many companies now offer fully remote positions. Websites like We Work Remotely and FlexJobs post remote jobs, virtual assistants, customer service reps, digital marketing specialists. This gives you job security with flexibility. 7. Dropshipping, e-commerce without inventory. Sell products without ever touching them. With Shopify and Spocket, you list products from suppliers and they ship directly to customers. Success comes from finding trending products, use TikTok and Google Trends, running Facebook and Instagram ads, creating engaging content for your store's social media. 8. Coaching or consulting, high-ticket earnings. If you're an expert in something, fitness, business, career growth, offer one-on-one coaching. You can charge $100 to $500 per session easily on platforms like Clarity.fm or your personal website. 9. Social media management. Huge demand businesses need help managing their social media presence. Offer services like content creation, scheduling posts, engagement and growth strategy. Use tools like Later and Buffer to manage multiple clients at once. 10. Stock photography or video. Sell your photos or videos to websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels. If you're into videography, stock videos are highly in demand and pay better. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Before you dive in, avoid these common mistakes. Chasing every opportunity. Focus on 1 to 2 methods and master them. not investing in yourself. Take courses and learn high-income skills. Giving up too soon. Online success takes patience and consistency. Earning money online in 2025 is all about choosing the right path, staying consistent, and adding value. Whether it's freelancing, YouTube, automation, or selling digital products, the key is to start. Don't wait. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited about. Also, like this video and subscribe for more money-making tips and strategies. See you in the next one.